Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Down here in the Farpoint Mowers and More shop, wanted to do this little toolbox tour here. This is a Vevor toolbox that they sent, and I am curious to see how well it looks, how it comes out. It's obviously budget-minded, but that's okay, so am I. So, let's get this thing unboxed. All right, with everything out of the box, got this out. We'll open that up here in a second. You do have 4 casters. 2 of those are locking, 2 of those are not. Go ahead, and they just kind of get pushed into place. There. I'm gonna put my 2 locking casters on the front. All right, then we can flip it up. And she's ready to roll around some already. Okay, well, then we got some shelves here, or a shelf. We'll go ahead and insert that. And I don't know, let's see here. It's got a lot of positions that you can put it in. I think right there will do. Okay, go ahead and close that temporarily. Now on one side here, it's got some holes. Got a little spot for screwdrivers and whatnot, so we'll go ahead and get that installed as well. And also has a handle, a little door handle here for this. So we'll go ahead and install that as well. Nice. Okay, so we got 2 Phillips here. They're gonna hold our screwdriver tray in place. And this also acts as your handle for rolling the cart around. One thing I do like about it already, it rolls in any direction. Most toolboxes only roll in one direction. You see me smiling, it's because I actually really am enjoying this little toolbox here. This is perfect for my needs currently. Okay, there we go. We do have a nice sliding drawer here that is got a good detent on it. Okay, all right, then we got the top here. Let me clean up this. Now you could use this separately if you want. It does have a lock here for the top and for the bottom. There's a hook, and so you can put a lock there if you want to keep all this. I don't have any locks down here right now, but if you want to keep this, people can't get in, right? Same thing with the top. We'll go ahead and open that up though. Show you what we got inside here. Finish is, it's like a matte black, like a satin, all right? Nice spot here. This just slides up. And then we have 4 drawers, roller bearing, and they do have mats in all of them. Overall height, it's not too high, maybe waist level here. But I like it. If you had limited space, you're in a small garage or an apartment, and you wanted to have a place to store some of your tools, pretty cool. All right, let me get the camera off the tripod. All right, we'll do here it is. So again, the top box here, which you can pull off separately, does have handles here to grab. No mat for the top, but each drawer has its own rubber mat in there. And those are ball bearing slides. And then on the bottom here, go ahead and remove the lock. And you can see we do have another mat, bigger, slightly larger than the top. You got an extra inch and probably an extra inch of width as well. And then the bottom with a shelf that's adjustable, spray cans, blow molded cases, that sort of thing. All right, rolls around. This is also doubles as our carrying handle. But if you look down in there, that's a place to put all your screwdrivers and such. And from the back, that's just dust from the back there. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Well, not a terribly long video, but a pretty cool one. I love toolbox tours and toolbox reviews. And so I got the chance to do this one. It's actually something that's been on my radar for a while. Down here, I actually have, there's another Vevor toolbox here that I use to do engine builds. Got all kinds of goodies in there. Been very happy with that one as well. And I use my old Craftsman box in the corner here. But those are not ball bearing slides and they have had it. So we're trying to, come up with replacement options. And this here is a good addition to the field, I'd say. Awesome. Well, I'll leave a link to where you can get it. I guess I'll take a quick look at the manual with you before I let you go. TBC112015 is the name, or is the model number of that. And it's probably just telling you the care, right, how it goes together. Nice. There we go. Awesome. Well, till next time, my friends, take care.